Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 3rd, 2022. It's basic attention talk about to explode because, I mean, look at my chart. I was looking for the market to go up in basic attention token and it didn't even do it. Market went down instead. So yeah, I didn't get it right. I'm going to show it to you when I get them right. I'm going to show it to you when I get them wrong. And today, my last video that I've done for basic attention token did not happen. I got it wrong. I'm going to show it to you right here. It is. You're not going to get everyone right neither. No one is 100% perfect, especially when it comes to the cryptocurrency market and the stocks. You're not going to get them right. So we're going to talk about this, and then we're going to see whether or not basic attention token is really going to explode in price, because I want to set expectation. I want you all to be led astray by some other YouTubers, by some other articles to tell you that price is going to hit $15 in basic attention token. Okay. So you guys appreciate it. Welcome to the channel. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification as well, because you don't want to miss out on my content, period. I'm gonna keep it real. Check this out. February the 9th was the last time I did a video in BAT. Yeah, it didn't go right. I didn't like it. You guys can see that the weakness definitely came into the market the moment after I completed the video, right? After I uploaded it to YouTube, the weakness definitely came through in basic attention token, right? Yeah. Now, for a learning lesson, right? Not only can we see that I did not get this price prediction correct, we can learn from it, all right? So we got history here. At what point would you have seen on the chart to tell you that you need to cut the play, that you need to let go of your original intentions as to where you was looking for BAT to go? At what day would that have convinced you that you got your price prediction wrong, right? Because you can see there's times to where you're not going to get your price predictions correct. And on those times, this is how you're able to minimize losses, okay? Because so many people, once they see a price go against them, they instantly turn over to a hopeful mind frame. They want to hope and wish that one day price will eventually come back up to where I begin to profit. Now, from my perspective, you have to learn how to cut the plays that go against you in order to have longevity in this game. What day would that have occurred, right? So let me help you out. Let me show you what I would have done. Yes, the market in basic attention token went down 2 consecutive days. Right here on the 10th of February, even on the 11th, automatically you should be thinking to yourself, I may need to cut this play because the market is not acting bullish. 2 consecutive days we saw weakness, price went down. That's a massive indication to you from off the jump that the market is not giving you what you want. Okay, cool. But you guys can see that I identified right here on the 9th of February on the video that price can still hold 80 cents, right? So these 2 days, even though price in basic attention token went down, I would have still kept the play on, right? Because I identified that the buyers needed to maintain basic attention token's price around 80 cents. And you guys can see it did. The 12th, 13th, 14th, even here on the 15th of February. So we would have still kept the play going on the 15th of February, right? Cool. Everything was copacetic. Everything was going to plan. And then you see the 16th. Okay, cool. We saw some selling, a comeback into the market in basic attention token on February the 16th. I get it. Now, we already remember what happened to the price action after we did this price prediction, right? Yeah, 2 days in, price went down 2 consecutive days. Cool. But then you have this day right here. This is the day that I would have cut the play. This is the confirmation of these 2 consecutive days of price going down in basic attention token right there. Yeah, that market gives you answers. Just so many people don't want to see it because they feel as if that they get it wrong, then they're going to lose out. And the people don't like to lose. And I get it. So yeah, we would have gotten out on that day on the close. So rather than it being 13.5%, it would have been 17.82. Because if you would have got out then, yeah, you would have lost 17, almost 18%. But that's a lot better than you coming out 32%, or even on the low that came in on the 24th of February, which is 38 and a quarter. Okay. Even if you were to get out now, you'll still be down 22%. And this is where we need to talk, all right? Because you can see it. BAT has broken the trend, right? The market in BAT has broken this very long-term bullish trend right there. And it got rejected. So you guys can see it. Let me zoom in and show you what this market is showing us, right? We broke the trend in BAT towards the ending of February. And now we're trying to come back up and we're still seeing the rejection. If we get a massive down move right now in BAT, we already know that the price is not going to explode. It is not. Okay. So now, let's try to figure this out then. Let's look at this on the 3-day time frame. The last 3-day price bar, I would say the last two, it looks decent in BAT, right? That the market may want to try to trade back up above this long-term trend, which is even better. Yes, that would be a fantastic thing to see, for price to come back up above this trend. It needs to do it. And basically the last 2-3-day price bar, it looked like it may even do it. Yeah. Okay. So I like that. Look at this on a weekly. So we have what, 3 days and 13 hours left on this current weekly price bar. And it's still up in the air, right? I'm gonna keep it real. This market is not massively bullish. No, we're not seeing that. But it's showing us stability. The market is stable. You know, we found buyers around 60 cents. As long as that's the case, even though we may not see price trade back up above this ascending line, as long as price holds 60 cents, we found the foundation. We found support. Okay. So now, let me give you all this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this horizontal line and now make it support around 60 cents. Okay. We want to allow basic attention token to continue to trade above 60 cents. That's where it's at. Now let's look at this on a monthly. Because you guys can see that, yeah, we're still seeing some weakness. The last 3 months, we are noticing that price is weak. Let's keep it real. Look at the chart. This is not a bullish chart. The last 3 months, we've seen basic attention token go down. Okay, we got it. But look at this. The volume for each of these previous months, it is dwindling. It's getting smaller. So what does it mean? Well, it means that the sellers may be out the way, meaning that they're done selling their basic attention tokens into the market, which is why I identified 60 cents. All right. So we can still see price fall back down to 60 cents. Like, it doesn't mean that we're out the way, clear selling, no clouds in the sky. No, we've been going down 3 consecutive months. So there still may be a tad trace of sellers still here. Okay. So let me get this back over to the hourly time frame real quick, because I do suspect that the market still wants to go up. And I'm going to play that weakness, or I'm not the weakness, the strength, as long as we see price stay above 65 cents, no lower than 60. Okay. So check this out. I'm not looking for a lot. I'm not looking for price to explode as what the title of this video says or reads. But I still suspect we might see price continue to go up. And we're going to try to hit that 80-cent mark, maybe fall a little bit lower than that, 78.5 cents. It's only 9%. Okay, I'm telling you right now, that's why I'm not that bullish into the market and a basic attention token. We're going to look for the market to try to hold 65 cents. All right, definitely price hold 65 cents. Us seeing price hit 78.5 is even greater. Okay, but I'm going to bring it down here towards 60 cents. All right, so now our first price target is right here around 78.5. Okay, and then the next level is going to be here around 84, almost 85 cents. Okay, so it's not too much. If anything, what I'm showing you right now in my prediction is just for the price to trade sideways. But it still doesn't mean that we can't eat. It doesn't mean that we still can't profit from price movement, right? I'm showing it to you right now that we can still get 17.25% or at least 9% out of this price movement. All right. So let me bring this back in closer. And you guys got it. Well, we got 78.5 cents first price target, and then 84.5 cents is the second. Okay. And that's it. I'm done. Welcome to the team. Welcome to the community. And before you head out, drop me your price prediction, your price target into the market for a basic contingent token. Let me know where's this coin headed. All right. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.